Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into a much requested topic, that is how to find winning wallets to copy trade using Zelfie Guru. So if you are looking to leverage successful traders, this guide will show you how to identify profitable wallets and maximize your trading strategy. So without further delay, let's get started. So the first step in finding the winning wallet is to head over to DEX Screener. So over here you will want to focus on the coins with decent liquidity. It is because the low liquidity coins like those with 3k or 4k liquidity can have price impacts that benefit the traders you are copying but cause losses for you as well. So for example, a coin with 39k liquidity is a much better choice for you. So once you have picked a coin, you just have to switch over to the top traders tab, and let's say you have selected this particular coin over here. So after clicking on it, you just have to click on the top traders option. Here you will be able to see all of the top traders that are making profit out of this coin. So over here, in order to find their address, you just have to simply click on this arrow button, and then you will be redirected on solscan.io where you can find their wallet address. Now let's talk about what to look for in a wallet. So you just have to avoid wallets that make extremely rapid trades, those that buy and sell within seconds. Copy trading bots like Trojan bot might register the buy but miss the sell due to the speed, which could result in the losses for you. Instead, target wallets that execute a few buy transactions and then sell gradually over time. This strategy, known as scaling out, so it is more reliable. For instance, a wallet that bought $63 worth of a coin in one transaction and then sold in 19th transactions made significant profits. So these are the kind of patterns that you want to replicate. Now in the third step, we need to track the wallet that we have copied. So in order to do that, we are going to use Zelfie Guru on Solana. I have also put its link down in the description, so you can use the link in order to come on this page. Now click on the start button over here in order to get access to the main menu. So if you are using the free version, you need to keep in mind that on Zelfie Guru, you have a limited number of scan each day, so you just have to make them count. For those who want to go further, Selfie Guru provide you the unlimited scans for only $59.99 per month. So with the premium service, you don't even need to manually search through DEX Screener, as you will have access to the thousands of already identified profitable wallets. So if you want to check their premium services, you can use the link in the description in order to save 10% on your trading fees. Now in the premium version, you will gain entry to a private group where you can discuss strategies and share your results. One of the most valuable features is the profitable wallets section, which allows you to filter by specific types of traders like alpha wallets or scalpers. For example, an alpha wallet might have a 63% win rate with traders averaging 4 minutes. Such detailed insight help you to identify this and study the potential wallets to copy trade effectively. Another fantastic feature is the ability to request the contract addresses. You just have to simply paste the contract address of the token or the project, and the Zelfie Guru will scan all related traders, highlighting potentially interesting wallets. So this was the straightforward guide to finding and copying the winning wallets using Zelfie Guru. So if you find this video helpful, let me know that in the comment section below, and don't forget to check out Trojan bot for copy trading. If you use the link in the description, you will save 10% on the trading fees. Thank you so much for watching, and happy trading.